Never worrying about running out of eggs or cooked chicken again with this incredibly simple automatic chicken farm that does all the work for you. First, scavenge for a few essential materials, at least one chest, one hopper, one furnace, one lava bucket, and a few building blocks like cobblestone or wood. You'll also need a couple of eggs to get your initial flock started. Begin by placing a chest where you want your collection point to be, then place your hopper directly on top of the chest, ensuring the hopper's funnel is pointing into the chest. This is where all the goodies will end up. Next, carefully place your furnace directly on top of the hopper. Remember, this furnace is key to cooking our chicken automatically. Don't get too close to the lava, though. Now, construct a small, enclosed area around the base of the furnace. Using your building blocks, you want to create a chamber that's only 1 block high beneath the opening where the cooked chicken and feathers will fall. This is crucial for containing your future feathered friends. With extreme caution, place your lava bucket into the single block space directly beneath the furnace. This lava will be our automatic cooker. Be very careful not to spread it wide or let it burn your precious farm. To prevent accidental burning, immediately place a solid block, like cobblestone, in front of the lava, blocking its escape route. This creates a safe cooking zone. Now, it's time to populate your farm. Throw a couple of chicken eggs into the enclosed space above the hopper and furnace. As they hatch, they'll grow into adult chickens. Once your chickens mature, they will naturally lay more eggs, and when they die, their cooked meat will automatically fall through the hopper and into your chest, while feathers will also be collected. It's that simple. Enjoy your self-sustaining supply of delicious cooked chicken and a steady stream of feathers, all thanks to your clever automatic farm.